Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna make a debunking video. Basically I'm gonna expose the fake station ISS. I'm gonna expose what it is. It's a fake station.
Hey, so
And let's start with this one. First thing, this is like from a Hollywood movie. You see the camera go into this like a sleeping pod or whatever they call it, and you have a astronaut or actonaut, whatever you want to call him. He's on his computer, of course, pretending he's doing some work, but in reality, he's a paid actor. All this is a script. Now let's make sure we can see what's happening in the background. We have some pictures of his family, of course, to make it a little bit more emotional, that he's alone in the space station thinking about his wife. Probably his picture of his children here on the top middle bit. And he's got his camera in the back so he can take pictures of planet Earth in its entire glory. We all know this is a script, this is fake, and I'm gonna go through the video and I'm gonna expose those lies. Let's continue.
that's what we normally do, right? This is work.
This is the whole tour. Start and finish right here.
They have the cheek
Here.
to even joke about it. Basically, the lies are in plain sight and they're joking about it as well.
Look, Mom, no hands.
You have hands.
I just want to show you that this guy is in absolutely great shape for being in space for many months. This guy looks like he's doing fucking weightlifting.
Alright. Welcome to the International Space Station.
International Fake Station.
We're starting right now in Columbus. And if you look on this little iPad right here, there's a picture of station. And right here, that's Columbus. So we're on the starboard side.
Straight away you can tell there is no reflection on the iPad of the cameraman. So that means the cameraman is not as close. If this is a real video, the cameraman should be maybe a meter away from this iPad screen. But because this has been made in a studio, the camera's probably 5 meters away, maybe even more. So that's why there's no reflection of the cameraman, and this is clearly fake.
Front area, and that module right there, that's what we're in right now. As you can see,
It's basically going through, it's going to basically show us a tour from module to module. It's explaining roughly where we are in the fake station. You can first thing that comes into your mind, it's an absolute mess over there. You want to tell me that there are actually people living in this mess? These people that don't wear any protection, no elbow pads, no knee pads, no helmets. If there's a turbulence happening, these guys are gonna get smashed to bits. This is absolutely ridiculous. They try to sell us this lie that these guys are floating in zero gravity and this thing is moving at God knows what speed, and these guys got absolutely no protection. Imagine if there is a turbulence or something, this guy's gonna bang his head and he's gonna die. This just shows you the blatant lies we are presented from NASA.
It's actually pretty cool because it talks about magnetic levitation, and I just think that's a cool sounding thing. I don't know exactly what it's going to do, but it sounds great to me.
He says, I don't know exactly what it's gonna do. Basically, this guy is so unprepared. He didn't even read the script. If you read the script, they probably would say something else, but he's so unprepared doing this fake video. It's unbelievable.
And over here you can't, it's hard to see.
Look at the mess over there.
Growing
Look at the mess.
in here we were growing, that's where we grew the lettuce, is right in there.
He says He says they're growing a lettuce inside. Can you see a lettuce growing inside? No. It clearly shows it's fake. There's absolutely no lettuce inside. Workbench, okay. There's absolutely no work happening on the bench. We take our blood. Okay, this is what I will probably do in a different video. They giving blood in space. Why? I mean, in my personal opinion, this is satanic rituals. They're doing satanic rituals on the ISS. They're giving blood to the basically the evil gods they believe in. So I believe they put the blood in for satanic rituals.
Doing that, all the stuff you really need for that all around here. It's a pretty easy task. We do that, and then we have a centrifuge. We put the blood into to process it, and then after we do that for 30 minutes, we freeze it, get it all cold, and then we ship it to the
I mean,
ground.
what the hell is this guy talking about?
When we get there. Again, more storage over here, and also the ultrasound we hook up right here. We do ultrasounds of all sorts of parts of our body to make sure we're still doing okay.
Why are they using ultrasound in space? There is no pregnant women on space. You don't need ultrasounds over there. I mean, these are blatant lies in our faces. Come on, guys, wake up. Did you see that long pause? This guy doesn't even know what to talk about. He just basically is making things up as he goes. Yeah, of course, he has to spin the tablet to show oh, he's in zero gravity, but in reality, he is constantly suspended and supported from underneath because they don't show him in one piece. And if he's in one piece, then they push him from the back. They use a special rod and they push him from the back. If he goes into picture, see, you still can see both legs. No, you can't see both legs. See, he's been pushed from the back. Somebody's pushing him from the back. Clearly from the back. Now he is supported by somebody from the left. So they got a vacuum cleaner in space. I don't know why. There's no dust.
But actually, this is actually much better than the old one, so we actually like it. And
there is no dust in the ISS. Come on. Again, airlocks without doors. Fake. Again, he is being dragged by somebody else. Because so apparently they're in this section here.
So right now, there's nothing, of course, is docking to that, but we're in this area right after there. It's called Node 2. As you can look out here, this is where the shuttle actually docked, is right through that hatch right that way. And there's still a device on our module called PMA, the 2 out there. And when we get a visiting vehicle such as a Cygnus or